So a while back, I carved some writing into a friend of mine's cutting board he was giving away, and he gave me a big chunk of cherry. I just cut it down into 3 pieces. I just want you to see the condition of this wood. Right, live edge. Grain's all dried out, right? It's not flat. I just made a huge mess in the shop because I wanted to try out the planer. But I want you to see, that's before. Look at that. Look at that grain. It's a beautiful piece of wood. So I hit that side first, get it flat. I wanted to leave the live edge on there, obviously. And then this side, and then I just sanded it with 220. It's nice and smooth. I'm gonna put some mineral oil, beeswax on it. Be a nice little serving tray. Or I don't want to say cutting board. I mean, you could use it as a cutting board, or you could just throw some cheeses on it. But yeah, don't ever throw stuff away. I mean, look at that. What a difference. Gorgeous.